Good morning, students. Myself Shalan Kumar from Kendriya Vidyalaya Katihar. Today I am going to teach you number system. So, first is your natural number. Counting number are known as natural number. It starts from 1 and goes up to infinity. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next is whole number. It starts from 0 and goes up to infinity. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now third is integer. Numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity are known as integers. It includes 0 also. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. So this is your integers. Now the fourth one is rational number. Numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers. Example 2, 2 by 5, 9, 0, 7, 86. Now fifth one is irrational number. Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. Example root 3, root 2, root pi, under root 15, etc. These are the example of irrational numbers. Then real number. real number includes both rational as well as irrational number. It can be represented on the number line. Example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, -1, -2, so on. Next one, prime number. Numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, 2. It has only two factors, 1 and 2. Similarly, 3. It has only two factors, 1 and 3. Similarly, 7. It has only two factors, 1 and 7. Next one is composite number. Numbers which has more than two factors are known as composite number. Example, 6. It has factor 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Means it has more than two factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 8. It has 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next one we can take 10. It has factors 1, 2, 5 and 10. So, the numbers which has more than two factors are known as composite number. Let us see how we can represent some irrational number on the number line. So, locate root 2 on the number line. For this, first we draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, then here -1, -2, -3 and so on. From 0 we take unit length. I mean to say 1 centimeter or 1 inch, whatever it may be, I am taking here 1 unit. This is point A and this is point O. We make an angle of 90 degree at point A. Now, from A, we cut unit length on AA dash, that is A to B, suppose 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. Now we join O to B. Here in triangle OAB, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Now, OA equal to 1 and AB equal to 1. So a square of 1 gives 1. Here the square of 1 gives 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, OB equal to plus minus and then root 2. Here we do not consider negative sign as distance is never negative. So OB equal to root 2. Now this is your root 2. Now with the help of compass we measure the length O2B and draw an arc of radius OB which cuts the number line at point suppose Q. Therefore, Q represents root 2 on the number line. In this way, we represent root 2 on the number line. Now, moving on to the second question. Second question says, locate root 3 on the number line. So for this, first we construct number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. First of all, we will find out root 2 on the number line. So for this we take unit length first. So this is your unit length, 1 unit. Unit means it may be centimeter, inch, whatever it may be. Here I have taken 1 unit means 1 centimeter. Then make an angle of 90 degree and join this. Now set with the help of a compass from point A 1 centimeter or whatever unit you are choosing. So I am writing here 1 unit. This is point B. Now join OA. This is point O. So in triangle OAB, we apply Pythagoras theorem. The theorem says OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. So OA is 1 square, AB is 1 square. A square of 1 gives 1. A square of 1 again gives 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then OB equal to what? Under root 2 with plus and minus. We leave minus sign here because distance is never negative. So OB equal to root 2. So this is root 2. Now we make an angle of 90 degree at point B. And cut 1 unit from point B. Suppose this is BC, 1 unit. Join B and C. So join O and C. Now, in the triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, we try to find out OC with the help of Pythagoras theorem, and this theorem says OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. And OB is what? Already I have calculated. OB equal to root 2. So root 2 whole square. And BC is what? We have made 1 unit. So 1 whole square. Now root 2 square will give root 2 into root 2. It means 2. So root 2 square equal to 2 and 1 whole square 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, OC equal to under root 3 with plus minus. But we leave minus as distance is never negative. So OC equal to root 3. So root 3. This OC is root 3. Now, with the help of compass, we measure length OC and draw an arc of radius OC which cuts the number line on some point at Q. This Q point represents root 3 on the number line. In this way, we can represent irrational number root 3 on the number line. Now, we move on to third question. Third question is here. Locate root 5 on the number line. So first of all, I will write 5 as 4 plus 1. Now, 4 plus 1, 2 square for 4 and plus 1. So root 5 can be represented in this form. Now we draw a number line. Now we draw a number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we take 2 units. 2 units. That is, suppose this is point A and this is point B. So 1, 2. 2 units. And at point B, we make an angle of 90 degree and join it. Okay. Now we cut 1 unit measuring from A to 1. From point B, we cut 1 unit, that is 1 unit on B dash. Suppose this BC is 1 unit. Now we join AC. In triangle ABC, we apply Pythagoras theorem. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is what? From A to B, we have taken 2 units, so 2 whole square. And BC is what? 1 unit, so 1 square. This is 2 square, 4, and 1 square, 1. So 4 plus 1 gives 5. Therefore, AC equal to under root 5. So this length AC is root 5. Now, with the help of compass, A as center, we measure the distance AC and draw an arc of radius AC, that is root 5, which cuts the number line on a point, say T. So this T point represents root 5, thus T represents root 5 on the